Hi everyone, to avoid misinformation and conspiracy theories, as well as to provide some background information, I've decided to make this short video for all the bike riders, hikers and patrons at Gibaland. We're presently building a road, a new access road to Gibaland. There's presently a dozer on site carrying out the work. You may or may not know, but my original access to the property was through Dave, a neighbour's farm, and down almost the entire route, the gravity route. Gravity trail has been used by many of the riders, and I decided to cut a new trail and avoid damaging the route or going down that particular trail. Beautiful valley. As you guys can see, we unfortunately had to come past, I think this is called Kaylee's. This is the blue route, and you can see where we've created we've done the first cut of the road. There's a small ramp, you can still use it, you're going to have to go onto the road, but as you can see, the ramp is being sort of put back. Minimal damage to this particular trail, but again, Ronnie will come here afterwards and fine-tune anything that we haven't kind of done correctly, and that's the sort of attitude of what we're trying to do all over the trails. I have mentioned before that the reason for this is so that you don't go down gravity trail and take that trail away from the riders, because that's actually my access to the property. We'll take some pictures in case some people don't know what the gravity trail is, but we're literally spending a lot more money, 60% more, in cutting a new road as opposed to using our old access through gravity trail. I'll take you there. We are fixing the trails as we're going along. They are rideable after we go past. Ronnie and his team is then coming behind to help or to repair the roads and make everything right. Going forward, regarding Gibaland and the trails around on Gibaland, I would like to make the trails better. I would like to improve existing ones and reopen some old ones. Many people have asked, and I've spoken to Ronnie actually yesterday, and we sort of agreed that Ronnie's going to spend some time on Quarry Slide. Might be a bit tight, but he's hoping to get it done by March, that we'll have Quarry Slide open, so we look forward to having that done. On a final note, the new access is going to provide better, easier, safer access to the park for everyone, but specifically for people in the upper highway and surrounds. Funds generated from the new access and any profits from Cafe Mvula are going to go towards improving the facilities. In other words, support us to support you. Thank you.